say the thing that's unique about the program is the fact that delegates come as a trio of health and social care and educationalists, and so there's a diversity of perspectives on the team. And so I think that that's really a huge benefit for delegates, where they get to work across different sectors.
One other piece that's unique is that we get to visit here for a week in UK, and then we support them in working on their projects throughout a 9-month period, and then they come to visit us at Yale, learn what's good and maybe not so good about how we work in the US on health and social care. And so it's an extended relationship that we have with delegates.
It brings together representatives from across the system to think about problems differently. It offers the opportunity for them to take a step out of their day jobs, connect with colleagues, and then be provided with tools and structures and frameworks to really think critically about the challenges that are facing their systems and come up with novel solutions that we think are going to have really high impact.
I think it can give people who are leading those systems the experience and the ability to bring on their teams and their staff. So things that I learned on this program, I directly shared with my teams. So a lot of the approaches and thinking differently, bringing people together, coalitions, looking at different perspectives and different drivers in an economy. So I think it just gives more experience and learning creates learning.
I think it's really stimulated all of us in terms of having ideas, having sort of frameworks to follow. But I think more importantly, a couple of things I'm going to take away personally is it's given me an insight into tools that I wasn't aware of before. The other really important things is I've already developed some amazing, I think, starter friendships, but also connections and experts in areas and fields that I had no idea of. And that's something that I don't think I'll be able to have got anywhere else.
It's a very interesting program. For first couple of days, I would say is you would think, what am I doing here? Exactly like I thought. And as I said earlier, after 2 to 3 days, the penny drops. That's when you realize actually the way you've been looking at the problems might need a bit of a tweaking. You have been on most of the people who come here are on quite senior leadership levels already. So they've already traveled a lot of their journeys. But what it does is it helps enhance their life skills, what they've already learned through their years, and just helps them to focus a bit more on the problem they need to solve.